Over 100 people in Maharashtra's Pune have been affected by a condition known as Guillain-Barré syndrome, also known as GBS. The Maharashtra Health Department has also reported the first suspected death from the syndrome in Solapur. Now, what is GBS? Is it contagious? What are the symptoms and what precautions can be taken? So, GBS is a rare and autoimmune neurological disorder in which a person's immune system attacks their peripheral nerves, leading to muscle weakness that can progress to paralysis. Let me explain. So, our immune system protects us from germs and other harmful things, but sometimes in certain diseases, it starts attacking the body's own cells. According to the World Health Organization, GBS affects the nerves that are outside your brain and spinal cord, which controls things such as muscle movement as well as those that transmit pain, temperature, and touch sensations. Patients with GBS often experience a tingling sensation in their feet and legs and have described it as feeling like needles are poking them. This sensation can spread to the arms and face. Rajiv Jayadevan, chairman of the Kerala State IMA Research Cell, said, in some cases, facial weakness can appear with drooping of the eyelid or a smile involving only one side of the face. He added, any difficulty in speaking, swallowing, or breathing could also be a sign of severe GBS and should receive urgent medical attention. Dr. Pawan Ojha from a Vashi-based hospital said that it is important for the public not to panic over simple tingling or numbness of limbs or face. But GBS should be considered only when there is weakness of hand grip, foot drop, or difficulty in raising hands above shoulder or rising above the ground. He added, some patients also get severe autonomic disturbances, that is fluctuating blood pressure, heart rate, cardiac arrhythmias, temperature, sweating, urinary disturbances, which can be life-threatening at times. WHO says if GBS gets worse, it can lead to muscle paralysis, and this can happen in the legs, arms, or face. GBS can develop over a few days or several weeks. People of any age can be affected, but it is more common in adults and males. According to Dr. Pradyumna, Director of Neurology at Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, it is not contagious. While what causes GBS is not fully understood, it often happens after someone has had an infection. One common infection that can lead to GBS is caused by a type of bacteria called Campylobacter jejuni. This bacteria can cause stomach-related infections such as vomiting, diarrhea, or nausea. Other infections such as the flu or some viruses like the Zika virus can also cause GBS. Sometimes after someone gets any vaccination, there's a tiny chance it could lead to GBS, but this is very rare. WHO says there is no known cure for GBS, but treatments can help improve its symptoms. Doctors have advised that all GBS patients should be watched closely for complications such as heart problems, infections, blood clots, and changes in blood pressure. Since GBS is an autoimmune disease, they have also advised that it is ideal if it can be treated in the early stages with treatments such as plasma exchange, which removes harmful antibodies. These treatments work best when started 7 to 14 days after symptoms begin. Maharashtra's Health Minister Prakash Ambedkar said there is no need to worry as GBS is not new. It has affected people in Maharashtra and across the country before.
महाराष्ट्र शासन ने महात्मा फुले आरोग्य योजना में 2020 को इसमें वो पैनलाइज किया है और उसके माध्यम से 2 लाख तक का इलाज के लिए हम लोग सहायता पेशेंट्स के लिए देते हैं.
The State Health Department in an advisory emphasized that certain precautions can help reduce the risk of GBS. These include drinking boiled water or bottled water, washing fruits and vegetables thoroughly before eating, properly cooking poultry and meat, avoiding raw or uncooked food, especially salads, eggs, kebabs, or seafood. It also advised keeping raw and cooked food separate, disinfecting kitchen surfaces and utensils after handling raw meat, as well as adopting general hygiene measures such as frequent hand washing with soap, especially before eating and after using the toilet. Amid the rising GBS cases in Pune, the Indian Council of Medical Research has launched an investigation to determine the cause behind the rise of GBS cases. More than 5 cases have also been reported in Nagpur. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also looked over the state's plan to handle patients with GBS in a state cabinet meeting.
कैबिनेट की मीटिंग में सम्माननीय सीएम साहब ने हमें सूचना दी कि उसके लिए एक अच्छी एसओपी बनाई है ताकि पेशेंट की संख्या ना बढ़े, शुद्ध पानी लोगों को मिलने के लिए जो कुछ करना चाहिए उसके लिए सभी स्थानिक स्वराज्य संस्था और उसके साथ साथ हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट ने एक अच्छी तरह से कोऑर्डिनेशन करके एक एसओपी निकालने के लिए भी सीएम साहब ने कैबिनेट में हम लोगों को आदेश दिया है. पूना से 111 पेशेंट्स हम लोगों को मिले हैं. उसमें 111 पेशेंट से 80 पेशेंट जो है 80 पेशेंट्स जो है वो उसी एरिया से आते हैं. पूना में एक नांदेड़ गांव है, तो जो कुआं है उस कुएं में से जो पानी खड़कवासला धरण से आता है उसमें कुछ पोल्यूशन है। उस पर कार्रवाई पूना म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन कर रहे। पेशेंट की संख्या 110 थे, 111 बन गए और मुझे खातरी है कि पेशेंट अभी नहीं बढ़ेंगे।
If you notice the GBS symptoms, consult a healthcare professional immediately.